Data types. Data types. A set of values together with a set of allowed operations. C++ data types fall into the following three categories. 1. Simple data type. 2. Structured data type. 3. Pointers. In this section we just discuss simple data type. Simple data type. The simple data type is the fundamental data type in C++ because it becomes a building block for the structured data type, which you will learn later. There are three categories of simple data. 1. Integral. 2. Floating point. 3. Enumeration. Integral data type. Integral data type that deals with integers, or numbers without a decimal part. Integral data types are further classified into the following categories: char, short, int, long, bool, unsigned char, unsigned short, unsigned int, unsigned long, long, and unsigned long. Why are there so many categories of the same data type? Every data type has a different set of values associated with it. Here the common integral data types and their values and storage in memory location are listed. Int data type. This section describes the int data type. This discussion also applies to other integral data types. Integers in C++, as in mathematics, are numbers such as the following: -6728, -67, 0, 78, 36,782, +763. Note the following two rules from these examples. 1. Positive integers do not need a plus sign in front of them. 2. No commas are used within an integer. Recall that in C++, commas are used to separate items in a list. So 36,782 would be interpreted as two integers, 36 and 782. Bool data type. The data type bool has only two values, true and false. Also, true and false are called the logical, Boolean, values. The central purpose of this data type is to manipulate logical, Boolean, expressions. In C++, bool, true, and false are reserved words. Char data type. The data type char is mainly used to represent single characters, that is, letters, digits, and special symbols. Thus, the char data type can represent every key on your keyboard. When using the char data type, you enclose each character represented within single quotation marks. Examples of values belonging to the char data type include the following. Floating point data types. To deal with decimal numbers, C++ provides the floating point data type, which we discuss in this section. To facilitate the discussion, let us review a concept from a high school or college algebra course. To represent decimal numbers, C++ uses a form of scientific notation called floating point notation. C++ provides three data types to manipulate decimal numbers: float, double, and long double. As in the case of integral data types, the data types float, double, and long double differ in the set of values it can represent. Here a table of common floating point data types and its values are given.